Looking to capture the world through your lens? Whether you're a budding photographer or just someone who loves to take pictures, choosing the right camera can be a game changer. The right camera can help you capture those perfect moments with clarity and precision. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Today we're going to break down some of the best beginner cameras that not only offer ease of use, but also come packed with powerful features to help you get started on your photography journey. Hey everyone, Samar Hyatt here. I'm excited to guide you through this journey of finding the perfect camera. Whether you're into vlogging, landscape photography, or just capturing everyday moments, there's a camera out there that's perfect for you. Today, we're diving into the best beginner cameras that offer ease of use and powerful features. We'll be looking at 3 fantastic options that are perfect for anyone just starting out. These cameras are not only user-friendly, but also come with features that will help you grow as a photographer. First up, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This camera is a favorite for beginners, and for good reason. It's affordable, easy to use, and comes with a range of features that make it perfect for those just starting out. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is equipped with an 18-megapixel sensor, which means you'll be able to capture high-quality images with great detail. It's perfect for everything from portraits to landscapes. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is its built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to easily transfer your photos to your smartphone or computer, making it simple to share your images with friends and family. Next is the Nikon D3500. This camera is known for its impressive battery life and compact design, making it a great choice for photographers on the go. The Nikon D3500 is equipped with a 24.2-megapixel sensor, which means you'll be able to capture stunning images with incredible detail. It's perfect for everything from action shots to detailed close-ups. One of the standout features of the Nikon D3500 is its guide mode. This feature is perfect for beginners as it provides step-by-step instructions on how to capture different types of photos. It's like having a photography tutor right in your camera. Finally, we have the Sony Alpha A6000. This camera is compact, lightweight, and packed with features, making it a great choice for beginners who want a camera that can do it all. The Sony Alpha A6000 is equipped with a 24.3-megapixel sensor, which means you'll be able to capture high-quality images with great detail. It's perfect for everything from portraits to landscapes. One of the standout features of the Sony Alpha A6000 is its fast autofocus. This feature allows you to quickly and easily capture sharp images even in fast-moving situations. It's perfect for everything from sports photography to capturing candid moments. So there you have it, the Canon EOS Rebel T7, Nikon D3500, and Sony Alpha A6000. Each of these cameras offers something unique, and they're all great choices for beginners. Whether you're looking for a camera with great image quality, impressive battery life, or fast autofocus, there's an option here for you. Ready to start your photography journey? Remember, the best camera is the one that you have with you, so don't be afraid to start shooting and experimenting with different settings and techniques. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Ready to start your photography journey? Let me know in the comments which camera you're leaning towards, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more photography tips, and I'll see you in the next one.